Many English learners study grammar, vocabulary, and speaking, but still struggle with common mistakes that make their English sound unnatural. These mistakes are often repeated again and again because learners don't realize why they are wrong. Today, we will explore the most common mistakes, understand why they happen, and most importantly, learn how to fix them. Correcting these mistakes is very important because it not only improves your fluency but also increases your confidence in speaking, writing, and even in exams. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to avoid these mistakes and sound much more natural in English. Mistake 1. Using the wrong verb tense. One of the biggest problems learners face is choosing the wrong verb tense. For example, wrong. I go to the market yesterday. Correct. I went to the market yesterday. Here, the learner uses the present tense go while talking about the past. This happens because many learners forget to match the tense with the time expression. Why it happens? Learners often translate directly from their native language, where tense forms may be different. Fix. Always look for time markers like yesterday, last week, tomorrow, now, or at the moment. These words tell you which tense to use. Past marker equals use past tense, yesterday, last year, ago. Present marker equals use present tense, every day, usually, now. Future marker equals use will or going to, tomorrow, next week, soon. Practice sentences. I went to school yesterday. I go to school every day. I will go to school tomorrow. Mistake 2. Adding extra words in comparisons. Wrong. She is more better than me. Correct. She is better than me. Why it happens? Students think more makes the comparison stronger, but words like better, worse, easier, harder are already comparative. Fix. Do not use more or most with comparative adjectives that already express comparison. Correct usage. Better, not more better. Worse, not more worse. Easier, not more easier. Harder, not more harder. Practice. This book is better than that one. His condition is worse today. Mistake 3. Confusing since and for. Wrong. I have lived here since 5 years. Correct. I have lived here for 5 years. Why it happens? Learners often think since and for can be used in the same way. Fix. Use since for the starting point in time. Since 2010, since Monday, since yesterday. Use for duration. For 5 years, for 3 hours, for 2 months. Practice. I have lived here since 2010. I have lived here for 5 years. Mistake 4. Wrong prepositions. Wrong. I am married with him. Correct. I am married to him. Wrong. I am good in English. Correct. I am good at English. Why it happens? Prepositions do not always follow logical rules and often change from one language to another. Fix. Memorize preposition patterns in short phrases. Married to, not married with. Good at, not good in. Interested in, not interested on. Depend on, not depend of. Practice. She is married to a doctor. He is good at football. I am interested in history. Mistake 5. Misusing much and many. Wrong. I have much friends. Correct. I have many friends. Why it happens? Learners confuse countable and uncountable nouns. Fix. Use many for countable nouns, friends, books, cars. Use much for uncountable nouns, water, sugar, information. Examples. I don't have many books. There isn't much water in the bottle. Mistake 6. Pronunciation problems. Pronunciation mistakes are very common. For example, vegetable is not vegetable but vegetable. Comfortable is not comfortable but comfortable. Why it happens? Learners often pronounce words the way they are spelled. Fix. Listen to native speakers through movies, podcasts, or dictionaries. Practice shadowing. Repeat words and sentences exactly as you hear them. Focus on stress and rhythm, not just letters. Practice. Vegetable, vegetable. Comfortable, comfortable. Mistake 7. Direct translation from native language. Wrong. I am agree. Correct. I agree. Why it happens. In many languages, the phrase requires to be, but in English agree is a verb itself. Fix. Avoid translating word by word. Instead, learn phrases as whole expressions. Examples. I agree. I disagree. I don't think so. Mistake 8. Forgetting articles. Wrong. I bought book yesterday. Correct. I bought a book yesterday. Why it happens. Some languages do not use articles like a, an, they. Fix. Use a or an for general nouns. A book, an apple. Use the for specific nouns. The sun, the book on the table. Practice. I saw a dog in the park. The dog was very friendly. Mistake 9. Double negatives. Wrong. I don't know nothing. Correct. I don't know anything. Why it happens. In some languages, using double negatives is normal, but in English it creates confusion. Fix. Only use one negative in a sentence. Practice. I don't like it. I know nothing about it. I don't know anything. Mistake 10. Wrong word order in questions. Wrong. You are going where? Correct. Where are you going? Why it happens. Learners sometimes use the word order of their native language. Fix. In English, the correct order is question word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb. Examples. Where are you going? What are you doing? When will you come? Conclusion. Now you have learned the most common mistakes English learners make and the correct ways to fix them. Remember, mistakes are a natural part of learning, but repeating them without correction can slow down your progress. Focus on one mistake at a time. Practice it daily, and try to use the corrected version in your speaking and writing. Keep practicing, stay confident, and never stop learning. If this lesson helped you, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Academy for more detailed lessons that will help you speak English fluently.